Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to prepare coconut milk laddu. This will melt in your mouth and will taste so good. For the recipe, take a quarter cup of scraped coconut and dry roast it. You have to roast this until the moisture is completely gone. Finally, it has to be like this. Allow it to cool down. This is going to be our substitute for desiccated coconut. If you have desiccated coconut, you can use that. So our desiccated coconut is ready. Set this aside. Take a pan, add 2 teaspoons of ghee in it. To this, add 2 cups of scraped coconut. Saute this for about 4 to 5 minutes. To this, add 1.5 cups of milk. Stir this and cook well until it becomes thick. Once it is thick, you can add a 3/4 cup of sugar. Let the sugar melt completely. The sugar got melted. Now this has to turn thick. To this, let us add a half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. The final consistency has to be like this. Let this cool down a little bit until the heat is bearable. Once the heat is bearable, you can make small balls out of this. Here the laddus are ready. Now we are going to coat this with a desiccated coconut. Coconut milk laddus will be very soft. This is very easy to do and worth a try. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe. Do like, share and comment our videos and don't forget to subscribe our channel.